Tangshan Xiangyu Furniture Company Limited. There is an enterprise specialized in manufacturing tables and chairs for chain restaurants and hotels in the heartland of Qilihai. Tangshan Xiangyu Furniture Company Limited is close to Tianjin Xingang Port, around 100 kilometers in the southeast of Beijing. Xiangyu set up its factory in 1998, has over 700 employees, and covers an area of 140,000 square meters, including 2 factory plant areas of 80,000 square meters for both metal and wood. It exports more than 3,000 containers annually, and the sales amount reaches 350 million RMB. Promising markets. Xiangyu's products service the market of chain restaurant, pub, hotel, church, and school. The products are well sold in the American and European markets. It is the supplier of some well-known international brand of catering and hospitality, such as Subway, Wendy's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Holiday Inn, and Westin. Excellent products. The reason why Xiangyu is favored by numerous international and domestic big brand of chain restaurants and hotels is mainly because of its varied products. Besides its own 30-people design team, Xiangyu has also invited domestic and international best brand design companies and engaged well-known designers in America to tailor its products. Xiangyu makes its products to be more sophisticated and professional, with the exquisitely crafted solid wood chairs and tables, the elegant and sturdy ones of steel and aluminum. The perfect combination of metal and wood makes the fabulous products with more than 1,000 choice, served to various customers and markets. High quality. Quality is the life of an enterprise. It is not just a slogan. Xiangyu is doing this. Review order carefully. Choose supplier strictly. Inspect incoming material seriously. Control production and quality rigorously. Each procedure is under well control, without a detail missed. Xiangyu's products have passed the SGS inspection, BIFMA test, BSCI inspection. Its products are brand name products in Hebei province and have won Provincial Quality Product Award for years. Efficient service. Customer satisfaction is Xiangyu's service mission. It has a diligent sales team. They are not only professional to the business process, but also well educated the knowledge of production and technical process. All of those skills give them the power to get the feedback to client's request and problem effectively. More than that, Xiangyu even has its after-sales service into the United States. Problems posed by its clients can be efficiently solved in 24 to 48 hours. Over the years, Xiangyu attracts its clients by new design products, keeps its clients by high-quality products, serves its clients by on-time delivery, and wins its clients by good faith and honesty. Xiangyu persists in its enterprise spirit, integrity, professional, quality, innovation, and has created a powerful and efficient management team. This team is growing and promoting in the development of the enterprise. Tangshan Xiangyu Furniture Company Limited is willing to work with friends from all circles and create a brilliant future.